Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you where to find the model name of this laptop. So the model name is located on the back cover of the device. So first of all, close the lid, then turn the laptop around to see it, and upside down. And on the back cover you'll be able to see, in my case I got the model name right here, but I also got the model section, and here is the model name of the device. So it's ASUS ZenBook A14 3402Y. It should be YA, I'm not sure why it says Y, but generally speaking that's where you find your model name. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.